to the Plant Farm It YouTube channel. Blueberries need full sun and require acidic soil. Plant 2 or more varieties for successful pollination. Plants won't have much fruit the first 2 to 3 years. Harvest is bigger after 5 years. Blueberry plants grow slowly and reach full size in 8 to 10 years. Each winter, prune out old, weak and dead fruit. To find out more about how to grow blueberries, watch the video until the end and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified on the similar upcoming videos on sustainable gardening practices. Blueberry plants grow slowly, and they might not seem to get much bigger from year to year. It takes a blueberry bush about 10 years to reach mature size. This also means they will live a long time. It will be 2 or 3 years before you start getting large harvests, but it is definitely worth the wait. The bushes are very attractive and will be a beautiful addition to your yard while you wait for a fruit. In March, prune bushes before new growth begins after coldest weather has passed. From April to May, plant new blueberry bushes. From May to June, apply mulch for growing season. In July, harvest. From July to September, apply soil amendments. From September to October, apply mulch for winter protection and enjoy fall color. From November to December, put fences around plants. Soil tested to determine pH. Blueberries require a pH between 4 to 5.5. If the pH of the soil is over 5.5, then the soil is not acidic enough for blueberries. Add an acidic soil amendment, such as sulfur or sphagnum peat, to the soil to lower the pH before planting. Sulfur is preferred because the environmental consequences of sphagnum peat mining are becoming an increasing concern. If you see light green or red leaves in the summer and not much shoot growth, it is likely that the soil pH is no longer the optimal range from 4 to 5, or nitrogen is needed. Choose an organic acid fertilizer. Throughout the life of the plants, maintain a few inches of wood mulch around them. Avoid areas surrounded by trees. Space blueberry plants about 3 feet apart. If the variety you purchase is listed as growing larger than that, then space them a little further apart. Plant your blueberry bushes in late April or early May. Dig the holes large enough to accommodate all the roots and deep enough so you can cover the uppermost roots with 3 to 4 inches of soil. Pack the soil firmly around the roots, then mulch the planting with 2 to 4 inches of sawdust, peat moss, oak leaf, or pine needle mulch. Water thoroughly after planting to ensure moisture richness the deepest roots. Water the plant frequently and deeply, enough to keep the soil moist but not saturated. In the first 2 years, remove flowers in the spring to encourage plant growth. This is necessary to ensure healthy, productive plants for years to come. Production of flowers and fruit stunts growth when plants are too small or weak. A good-sized, healthy canopy is needed to support the fruit. Blueberry plants grow slowly, which is one of the reasons they live so long. The plants will put on plenty of fruit after the first few years, But do not be surprised if the plants stay small, as mature size is usually not reached until the plants are 8 to 10 years old. Remove weeds regularly to keep your planting neat and clean and to prevent competition for water and nutrients. Mulch helps prevent weeds. At planting, prune only to remove any broken, dead or dying parts of branches. After the first year, prune the bushes annually in the early spring before growth starts. Fruit is produced on 1-year-old fruit. The largest berries are produced on the healthiest fruit, so a good supply of a strong 1-year-old fruit is desirable. Harvest ripe fruit regularly. Berries will turn from green to blue and are ready for harvest when they are completely blue and are springly when gently squeezed. Taste a few berries that look ripe to get a good idea of how ripe fruit looks and feels. Fruit will ripen on one bush over a period of couple weeks. Gently pull berries off the plant. Some stems may remain attached to the berries. Place berries in a firm container in the refrigerator shortly after picking. Avoid layering berries more than a couple inches deep to prevent the lower berries from being damaged. Do not wash berries until ready to eat. This will prevent them from molting in storage. Blueberries last longer in the refrigerator than many other berries. Generally, plan to use the berries within a week or so. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified on the similar upcoming videos. Plant Farm Eat is a platform for horticulture and environmental enthusiasts, helping you maximize your time and efforts and provide you with pragmatic guides on how to plant, farm, and eat sustainably.